So in question number 9, the first one is from progressions. So question is find 10th term from the end of the series. So 5, 7, 9, so on, 159. So how to find out the term from the end? So we use the formula nth term from the end. So let me show your formula and solve the problem. So your given series. So given series if you take, so it's an AP. So is arithmetic progression. So that is a 5, 7, 9, so on 159. So here difference. So D is the difference and D is equals to 7 minus 5. Second term minus first term. So 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. And the last term, so it is L. L is 159. Then we can using the nth term from the end. So formula is nth term from the end. From end. So your direct formula, that is L minus n minus 1 into D. So nth term from the starting is different. This is the nth term from the end. L minus n minus 1 into D. So here we need to find out 10th term, right? So 10th term we need to find out. So therefore 10th term from the end, that is 159, that is L, minus n minus 1. So 10 minus 1 and common difference is 2. This will simplify, that is the 10th term from the end. So 159 minus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 2. 159 minus 18, 9 2 is 18, that is 141. That's it, simple. So 141 is the 10th term from the end. And let's see next one. On a map drawn to a scale of 1:25,000, so it's a scale, a rectangular plot of land PQRS as the following measurements. PQ is 12 and PS is 16. Calculate diagonal distance of the plot in kilometers and area of the plot in square kilometers. So by using this scale, let us take this. Let's take the rectangle, length into breadth, and diagonal. So it's a PQRS, and PQ is 12 centimeters, P to S. So PQ is 12 centimeters and P to S is 16 centimeters. So just you can use this. This is 12 centimeters and P to S is 16 centimeters. Now let us take the line S to Q. And this is perpendicular, right? Okay, this is opposite angle, so 90 degrees. Now S to Q, we can find out SQ value. So because of right angle triangle, so from triangle, let us find out first this. From triangle PSQ, then SQ is equal to square root of 16 square plus 12 square. So Pythagoras theorem you applied. Then that is 16 square plus 12 square is square root of 420. Okay, 12 square is 144, is 136. Just you can add this both, it's 20 centimeters. That is SQ. This is the 20 centimeters. Now, so let us take the K value. So given scale, so scale is given, that is 1:25,000. Okay, then K is equals to 1 by 25,000. So you can write in short, simplest form, that is 0.25 into 10 to the power 5 you can write. There's a K factor. Now length of PQ on the map. So we need to find out two questions. diagonal distance of the plot in kilometers. Okay, that means length of the PQ on the map is equals to, so length of PQ on the map is equals to, on the map is equals to K into actual length of the PQ. Okay. This is the formula, actual length of PQ, so K into, and here length of the PQ on map 20 into, so this is, sorry, so SQ, they are asking diagonal, right? So diagonal of the plot, so you can take diagonal only, so S to Q is 20, SQ you can take this S and actual length of this SQ, then that is 20 is equals to K factor is 1 by 0.25 into 10 to the power 5, okay, into actual length of diagonal. So actual length of SQ, that means actual length of the diagonal. Diagonal you need to find out. So just by simplifying this, therefore, so you can confirm that, then actual length. So actual length is equals to 20 into, you take this side, 0.25 into 10 to the power 5. 20 into 0.25 is 5 into 10 to the power 5 centimeters it is. So 10 power 5 centimeters is equals to 1 kilometer. So 5 into 10 power 5, that is 5 kilometers. So actual length is 5 kilometers. Now, so according to the area formula, if you take, that is area of the plot on the map, area of plot on map is equals to K square. Area means you need to apply K square into this actual area. Actual area we need to find out, actual area of the plot. Then length is area is length into breadth, that means 12 into 16. So 12 into 16 is equals to K value is 1 by 0.25 into 10 power 5 whole square into actual area. Actual area, just you can simplify from this. Then actual area, if you take this calculations, therefore, so actual area is equals to, now actual area of the plot is equals to 12 into 16 into, and this is whole square, no? So 0.25 square into 10 power 5 square, apply square for all, just you will simplify this all. Okay, this again 12 into 16 into, if you want to simplify more, 0.25 whole square, that is 25 by 100. 0.25 is 25 by 100, right? Whole square, so 25 by 100. Just I am making simplification. And 10 to the power 5 whole square. Here 25 ones are 25 fours are, and 25 ones are 25 fours are. And 4 into 16 ones are cancelled. Then 12 into 10 to the power 5 whole square. So that is 10 power 2 is 10. This is actually centimeter squares. Now that is 10 power 10 centimeter square is equal to 1 square kilometers. That is a 12 kilometer squares. 12 square kilometers you can write. This is the problem. Easily you can solve. And let us take this next one. And see, a toy is the shape of right circular cylinder with hemisphere one end and cone in other end. Okay. One side is cone and one side is hemisphere for cylinder. Height and radius of the cylindrical is 13 and 5 respectively. The radius of the hemisphere and cone part is the same as the cylindrical part. Calculate the surface area of the volume of the toy if the height of the conical part is 12 centimeters. Let me show you diagram this complete. So you just take the diagram. Cylinder, cone and hemisphere. So cylindrical shape and hemisphere and cone. So cone is on top. Okay, so let me take some pixels. Okay, now hemisphere is, cone is on top and hemisphere is down. Hemisphere is other end. So let me draw a diagram for this. Hemisphere is for this end. Now height is given for this is 13 centimeters. Cylindrical height is 13 centimeters. Okay, it's given. And 12 centimeters is for height of the cone. And 5 centimeters is radius for all. This all radius is 5 centimeters. Okay. Hemisphere also R is 5 centimeters. Now if you want the volume of this toy, so you need to find out, calculate surface area and volume of the toy, both. Okay. Now just take the given data and just, well, volume of this toy means volume of the hemisphere plus cone plus cylinder. Okay. Therefore, first let us find out the volume. So volume of toy, that is equals to volume of hemisphere. So volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone plus again volume of the cylinder. This is all we need to add. So volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube, right? So directly I am writing the solutions here. 2 by 3 pi r cube, r square, 5 square into 5. One more 5 took. Next step and cancel. So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 pi r square and h is 12. Plus cylinder is pi r square h. So it is pi into r square into height is 30. So here 5 square into 5, just to take the common I have taken like this. So pi into 5 square, if you take common, remaining is 5 2 is 10 by 3 plus 4 plus 30. This is a 3.14 pi value. 5 square is 25 into 61 by 3. Just to LCM. Just cancellation all these values. So you will get approximately, this is 22 by 7, 3.14 you can take, into 25 into 61 by 3. Okay, that is 1596 calculations, 17 cubic centimeters, or 1596.62 cubic centimeters approximately. Okay. Now surface of the toy, that means if you want to find out the surface area. So surface area of the toy, that is CSA of hemisphere, CSA of the core and CSA of the cylinder. CSA means curved surface area. Okay, curved surface area of hemisphere plus again CSA of cone plus again CSA, curved surface area of a cylinder. This is all we need to add. So just you need to remember the formulas clearly. Then that is, we know that CSA of the hemisphere, so 2 pi r square. So 2 into pi into, radius is 5 for all, plus CSA of the cone, pi r l, right? So pi into 5 into l. So slant height we need to find out using the formula. Then CSA of the cylinder, so 2 pi r h, 2 into pi into r and to h, right? So here L value, this is one step you can find out. If it is 5 centimeters, this is slant height. That means L is equal to square root of 12 square plus 5 square. So that will get 13. So just wrote directly here. Only formulas you need to remember and just to carefully substitute and simplify. Because CSA of the cone is pi r L. So pi into pi value 5 into 13. Just to simplify all these values. It's 22 by 7 is the common into 5 into 49. Right. And take this simplification, 7 ones are 7 sevens are 22 into 5 into 7. So 22 into 7 5 is 35. That is 770 centimeters squares. Okay. Then this is the value of this CSA and volume. We can find out this both values. Take the diagrams clearly. Now this is question number 9. Let us see 10th and we'll solve as follows.